It is throwing the code E01, F08 and will not complete a wash cycle every load. I have evaluated water intake and water to the washer, that is not the issue. I replaced the pressure hose yesterday and one load ran just fine. The second load through the same E01, F08 code. Should I replace the pressure sensor next?
Is your washer top or front loading? How old is it?
Front loading. It is Maytag Maxima XL model MHW8000A0W I don't know the exact age. It was in the house I bought in 2017.
How long has this been going on with your Maytag washer? What have you tried so far?
About 2 weeks. Please read my first chat. I described everything I already tried.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hi and welcome to Just Answer. My name is to assist you today. I'm sorry to hear you're having trouble. I know that can be frustrating. Hopefully, we can get this resolved quickly. Error code F08/E01 indicates your machine doesn't detect water coming to your machine. That model uses a flow meter to detect the water coming to your machine. Please check this link to order new flow meter https://partsture.com/part/W101102225 flowmeter. Model equals MHW8000A0W I.
Can you please direct me to a guide/manual that shows the location of the flow meter and how to change it?
Please watch this video for easy to follow guide https://www.youtube.com/watch. V equals JGXVKRZLG98.
Chester, the machine does not through the F08/E01 error code every cycle. If I run it on the normal cycle, it seems to always successfully complete the cycle. If I try to run the sanitized cycle, which is 1 hour and 20 minutes longer than the normal cycle, the error code appears and the cycle does not complete. Would a defective water flow meter explain this? Thoughts? Hi Chester, do you have thoughts as to why some cycles will run without throwing the F08/E01 error code and others will not?
Actually, that symptom has two possible causes. Faulty control board or weak/faulty flow meter. It possibly has a weak flow meter. It malfunctions when its use is for a length of time, more run time.
I've been running a lot of test loads and here is some more information. Test load info, normal cycle, 59 minutes, with and without steam using both hot and extra hot water temperature always complete successfully. Allergen cycle, 1 hour 34 minutes, and sanitary cycle, 2 hours 19 minutes, always throw the F8/E1 code sometime during the cycle. The link seems to be the cycle length. Does the control board literally have different circuits for the different cycles? Or does this information push you more toward the flow meter?
Every cycle has different programs and functions, but it doesn't mean that the control board literally has different circuits in each cycle. Does your machine is able to fill water within 6 minutes?
It does seem to fill within 6 minutes early in the cycles. I don't know exactly when each of the long cycles fails, but it is toward the end. The clothes are generally clean, but soaking wet, if I open the door before clearing the code. Once I clear the code drain and spin runs automatically.
I am afraid that you have faulty control board.
Can you send me the part number for the control board? The Maytag model number is in this thread.
Check this link https://part/wpw10388229 electronic control board. Model equals MHW8000A0W I.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.